Okay.
We got Halo 4 here, guys. Just got out the midnight launch. Gonna unbox it. We'll open. There we go. Nice box.
Take your finger off the back.
We got a magnetic here. Got the nice metal case. Got the campaign and multiplayer. Nice package. Has all your codes in it and everything when you get it. This right here. We got a poster. Master Chief. Or not the Master Chief, but the Global Throne Spartan. Shows all kinds of
shows the
helmets and everything. It's pretty cool. Nice material.
Nice, clean and crisp.
Then you got, this is the mission briefing. Nice little sealed package.
You have your orders, soldier.
Got your mission goal here, you know, pretty cool stuff. And get this, kind of
like a booklet.
A little booklet of weapons and such. Pretty awesome. Nice.
In the back?
Yeah, there's some stuff in the back here. Got a little note, some sort.
Looks like a letter.
And restricted OD mission. Something interesting. And you got a
score sheet,
session summary, and
that's pretty much.
Subscribe to my videos. Thank you.